In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add hover effects to images in Wix. Hover effects are those subtle animations or visual changes that happen when someone moves their mouse over an image. They're a simple way to make your site feel more interactive and professional, and Wix makes it pretty straightforward to set them up. First, make sure you're logged into your Wix account and that you've opened your site in the editor. Once you're inside the editor, look for the plus icon, usually on the left-hand side of the screen. This is your main add button in Wix. Click on that plus sign to open the panel of elements you can add to your page. From the options that appear, look for the category called Decorative. This section contains decorative elements like shapes, lines, and special image designs that can help enhance the look of your site. Go ahead and click on Decorative. Inside Decorative, you'll see several subcategories. Find and click on the one labeled Featured. The Featured section includes ready-made decorative items that often have more polished or dynamic designs, which work really well for hover effects. Now, browse through the featured items and select the decorative image element you want to use. Take a second to think about how it fits your page design, the colors, the style, and how it will look when someone hovers over it. Once you've chosen the one you like, click to add or select it so it appears on your page. With the element selected on your canvas, look for a small arrow pointing to the right, usually on or near the settings panel for that element. Click on this small right arrow to expand more options. This is where you can access more advanced design and interaction settings. In the expanded options, locate the lightning icon. This icon typically represents interactions or effects. Click on the lightning icon to open the interaction settings for your selected image or decorative element. Here, you'll see different interaction states. Find and click on the one labeled Hover. This tells Wix that you're about to customize what happens when a visitor hovers their mouse over this image. Next, click on Add. This lets you add a new hover effect to the element. Once you click Add, choose or adjust the effect you want to apply, such as changing colors, adding a shadow, or slightly enlarging the image. Finally, select the hover effect style you prefer from the available options. When you're done, preview your site and move your mouse over the image to see your new hover effect in action.